I needed this for some reason. Whatever it was, it called me. So I thank you for the invitation to reach out to say, please come join us. And I didn't even have to hesitate to say, oh, maybe not. Oh, it's the nighttime, whatever. It was just like, let's just do this, because it was calling. So I appreciate this very much. I'm so grateful to you for putting this together, for having the courage to present this difficult subject to everybody, to demonstrate every aspect of it. It takes a lot of courage, and it takes a lot of work that you put into it on every level. The presentation, the explanations, the music, and everything, and collaborating, bringing those people to attend that are supposed to be here today. And I want to reach out and say thank you to all the co-creators, as I call them, for being here in this workshop for the last 2 days. It's been a pleasure connecting with you all, and it's been fun. It's been so exhilarating, so uplifting, so recharging. It's so beautiful. So I thank you.